Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can transfer a Netflix profile to a new account. So if you have another Netflix account and you want to transfer your profile so that you can keep your preferences and also your watch list on Netflix and continue watching on Netflix to the new account, you can just transfer your profile easily by clicking on these photos at the top right corner. Then you can go to your account, or there also this option directly transfer profile. Okay, so I have three different profile on my Netflix, so you can just choose the one that you want to transfer. For example, I'm going to transfer a different profile in here. Okay, so you can see these are my profile, so you can just choose which one that you want to transfer. Click on the profile, scroll down, and there will be the option profile transfer. So by doing this, you can copy this profile to another account. So after this, you can just click on this start profile transfer. And then here, where do you want to transfer this profile? So you can choose a new account. And here you can transfer this profile and purchase my own new Netflix membership, or you can also transfer to an existing account. So I'm going to just use this an existing account because I already created one, but please note that you'll need the email and password to complete the transfer. You can tap on next again. And here you need to sign into the account you are transferring to by entering the email address or phone number and also the password. Then you can tap on next. And so after that, your transfer will be processing. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks button. Bye.